Good day, travelers. I'm Brad, your virtual tour guide. Join me as we embark on this journey of discovery and adventure. Our adventure commences in the ancient lands of Asia. From the timeless beauty of Petra and where the valley of the Rum in Jordan, to the vibrant streets of Tel Aviv in Israel, and the majestic deserts of Saudi Arabia. Each destination holds its own allure and mystery. Let's start our journey to Jordan and discover the ancient city of Petra. From Queen Elena International Airport of Jordan, it will take approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes by car to reach Petra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, half built and half carved into the rock, showcasing a blend of ancient Eastern and Hellenistic architecture. So from Petra, we will head to Wadiram, also known as Valley of the Moon, a breathtaking desert landscape with towering cliffs, dunes, and caverns. It takes around 1 hour and 30 minutes by car to travel from Petra to Wadiram. Now, we are off to Israel to explore Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv is Israel's cultural and commercial capital. Tel Aviv named the Mediterranean capital of cool by the New York Times. Tel Aviv is a city with a savvy altitude and cultural astuteness. The city which never sleeps is a center for nightlife, cuisine, culture, and liberalism. From Ben Gurion Airport in Tel Aviv, it would take around 3 hours to fly from Israel to Saudi Arabia. Now, let's travel and visit the empty quarter. The world's largest sand desert is a vast and awe-inspiring landscape with towering sand dunes. But our exploration doesn't end there. We will also journey to the breathtaking landscapes of North America, starting with the vast beauty of Niagara Falls, where nature takes center stage. Niagara Falls, a wonder of the natural world, straddles the border between Canada and the United States. It thunderdowns with a force that will leave you speechless. From ancient wonders to natural beauty, our journey has been filled with unforgettable moments. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon on another adventure. This is Brian, now signing off.